Hi children, Assalamu alaikum. What's new with you? Today we are going to study about microorganisms. This is the last part of this chapter. So, let's start part 4. Microorganisms or microbes are microscopic organisms. What do you mean by microscopic organisms? These organisms can be seen with the use of microscope. They are widespread in nature and beneficial to life, but they can cause serious harm like coronavirus and Nipah virus. These are the examples of microorganisms like bacteria, fungi and virus, etc. My dear students, haven't you seen sometimes food goes bad and foul smell? How did you notice that the food was spoiled? Or how does food become sour? The foul smell and sour taste shows the bacteria is growing in it. These can cause diseases like typhoid and cholera. But at the same time, bacteria is very useful to us. How does your mother prepare curd from milk? For that, we take previous day's bit of curd and is added to milk. Here, bacteria plays a major role for conversion or formation of curd. Lactobacillus bacteria is present in the curd. When we add this curd to the milk, this bacteria convert milk into curd. My dear children, when your mother prepares appam or cake, what does she add to it? Yeast. Yeast is the microscopic organism. It is a unicellular organism. It is used for the purpose of baking. When we add yeast to dough for preparation of cake, appam, dosha, etc., it becomes very soft due to fermentation. Yeast keeps our digestion system healthy and in balance. Yeast cause diseases also. Next is about fungi. We already studied about it. Fungi are microorganisms. Mushrooms are fungi, but it is not microscopic. We can see it directly. Some mushrooms are edible, some are highly poisonous. Dear children, do you know which fruit is known as the state fruit? Or which is the biggest fruit? Yes, jackfruit. In Kerala, everywhere we can see this jackfruit tree. It can grow without fertilizers or pesticides. Jackfruit is highly nutrient. It contains carbohydrate, protein, vitamins, minerals, etc. Each and every stages of its growth can be used as food. Its seeds, flesh, and outer covering also can be used as food. Jackfruit is a seasonal fruit. People identifies the peculiarity or speciality of this fruit and export to different countries. Actually, it is not a single big fruit. A group of fruits are inside a single fruit. Each small fruit contains a big seed. These are fleshy. When they ripe, they are very sweet and tasty with an enticing smell. It is a seasonal fruit, that's why people develop different methods of preservation and preserve all parts of fruit and use them in off season. Jackfruit can be used for making different dishes. For example, jackfruit chips, squash, ice cream, payasam, curry, and upperi, etc.